chicken dinner every Sunday. It's spaghetti on Wednesday night. Off to the neighbors for that late night bite. And now I'm home and hungry, and all I got in front of me is eggs. It doesn't matter how you cook them eggs. I'd be gladder if someone took them eggs. They remind me of my chicken, and I'd rather have my chicken than eggs. Oh, those eggs. It doesn't matter how you cook them eggs. I'd be gladder if someone took them eggs. They remind me of my chicken, and I'd rather have my chicken than eggs. I got a mind to ramble, I got an egg to scramble. I think that those eggs are swell, but keep them honkies in their shell, them eggs. Oh, my heart's aching for the thing next to bacon, yeah. Eggs, that's all it is, just nothing but a song about eggs. You go, Peter, cook it up now.